We're going to make prawn cocktail and avocado cocktail on our sailing boat Miraggio. We're using paprika, mayonnaise, ketchup, olive oil, lettuce, avocado, scotch bonnet, garlic and king prawns. 3 dessert spoons of mayonnaise, 1 dessert spoon full of ketchup and a pinch of paprika, a little bit of lemon. Squeeze through your fingers and you don't get the pips. This is our cocktail sauce, and now we're going to prepare the lettuce. The best way to do it is just break up the leaves. Wash the salad leaves, use a salad spinner to dry them off. And then little a bit so people can just get it in with their prawn. And now we're going to prepare the prawns. Use gloves when handling very hot chilies. Basically just chop them how you like. Now we're going to chop up the garlic. Preheat your frying pan with a little olive oil, garlic and chilli, just to get the flavours of the garlic and chilli. Reduce the heat and we're putting the prawns. When they go pink, they're done. Nearly done. Great when the oven moves with you. When you're out on the water, it goes side to side. Hence we have these to hold the pots on. They look pretty much done. Yep, they're done. Now we're going to take the sauce, the prawns are cool, and pour over for a nice covering. There's your hot and spicy prawn cocktail. Top with a tiny pinch of paprika. Slice some avocado and pop that into the rest of the sauce. Stir. Pop on top of your lettuce. Top with a little smoked paprika.